Hello from AlphaCars. My name is Dan, and today we're checking out this 2014 Range Rover Supercharged. On the exterior, you have this wonderful silver metallic paint, contrasted by the black rims. This Range Rover has under 30,000 miles and is just loaded. The original MSRP was around $108,000. Some nice features and optional equipment. It has the climate pack, which gives you heated and cooled front seats. It has the vision assist package, which has multiple cameras around the vehicle, along with blind spot monitors, rear view camera, and front camera as well. The exterior is wonderful. No major signs of flaws or blemishes. There is actually a chip guard throughout the whole front of the vehicle, including the hood and the fenders, which has protected it since new. Stepping inside, you'll see the black leather interior, contrasted nice tan and beige armrests and center console. Range Rover does have a panoramic sunroof. Ample space in the rear. This one is equipped with heated rear seats as well and automatic climate control for your rear passengers. It also has the Meridian high-end sound system. It's about 800 watts worth of power. So this one does really crank when you listen to music. It has a newer traditional hands-free double tailgate, which is synonymous with Range Rover vehicles. This double tailgate provides a nice area for you to lay any goods, easier loading, and also if you are tailgating. With a nice feature, automatic trunk closing, but at the same time, it will also close the lower half as well. As we step inside, we'll check out some of the cool features of a Range Rover these days. There's your odometer, just a tick under 30,000 miles. Fantastic leather in here. All digital display. Easy start button. This one comes equipped obviously with navigation, heated and cooled front seats, automatic climate control. It does have the upgraded Meridian sound system, and also a bunch of cameras that you'd find typical on luxury vehicles these days. It does have park assist, so this vehicle will parallel park for you if you so choose. Stepping into the seats real quick, you can see that they do offer massaging feature, which was an upgraded package as well. So these seats will massage you, front and right passenger. Down here, ample cup holder, the new age shift knob, easy turn from drive to park and all throughout. Here are your terrain controls in automatic mode. Push the button and then you can select different modes throughout: grass and gravel, mud, sand, and rocks. You can always put it back in to normal mode or automatic mode. Hill descent control, low speed or low range for uphill, and your height control for your air suspension. Auto speed limit, so you can actually set a speed limit in the vehicle and will kind of maintain that. And your parking brake right here. On the steering wheel, you have heated steering wheel, all your controls for cruise control, and on the left hand side, all your controls for the media and menu options. Pretty straightforward. Another cool feature of Range Rovers is this little button here. Some do not know about it, but this will actually put the vehicle in its lowest height when you're exiting the vehicle. And that just assists with getting in and out. Moving into the rear seat. You'll see this very much of the same controls for the rear passenger. Here's your temperature knob, your heated seat knob, your automatic climate control, and if you so wish, you can adjust the angle of it as well. Great space to be back here as well. Ample legroom. If you or anyone has any questions about this Range Rover or any other vehicle at AlphaCars, feel free, give us a call, 978-263-9000. Check us out online, alphacars.com, or feel free to stop into one of our showrooms. We are here, we are open, and we'd love to see you. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.